Hello. Let's see how we can create animated short videos using AI. First, go to chat.openai.com. Sign up and create your account. I have already created one. Give a topic to write story on it. Your story script is ready. Go to app.artflow.ai. Sign up and create your account. I have already created one. Go to Dashboard or find Image Studio. Select Content Type for image creation. Copy your story that is created using OpenAI and paste in prompt. Hit flow. It will create images according to your story. Your images are created. Now go to Video Studio. Click on plus sign to create a shot. Select your image and paste story line by line according to images. It will put a voice over the image. Select next a dialogue from script. Do same paste and create voiceover. You can also put effect on images. I will go with zoom in effect. Create another shot. Select image and dialogue. Create shots as much you need. Maximum shots limit is 20. At the end, click on Export button to export video. Give title. Wait until video is processing. Your video is ready to use now.
Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a curious and imaginative 5-year-old named Lily. Every day was an adventure for her, as she explored the world around her with wide-eyed wonder. From chasing butterflies to building sandcastles, Lily's imagination knew no bounds. With her trusty stuffed bear by her side, she embarked on magical journeys through forests and oceans, encountering talking animals and friendly fairies. Her laughter echoed through the neighborhood as she danced in the rain and painted colorful pictures. Through her innocent eyes, the world became a place of endless possibilities and joy, filled with love and laughter.
Subscribe and thanks for watching.